What's up guys, Amanda Ray here. Thanks for tuning in to another video. Today I'm going to be testing out a theory on the Camaro because every single time I drive her with my tires, now that I have the new ones, they throw off all of my traction lights. I'll show you what I'm talking about. There is nothing on there right now, right? I don't know if I'll be able to hold the camera steady and back out of my crazy driveway, but I shall try. There it goes. So it just turned on, and it'll stay on the entire time. I can't clear it. Even if I hit the traction button, can't clear it, it just stays. So from what I can understand, it has to do with the tire sizes, the difference between the front and the rear, and because they're so different, it's throwing it off. So it's just throwing it off. I can clear that part, but I can't clear those at all. Like I said, even if I hit the button, nothing turns off. I can hold it, nothing works. So I'm hoping if I'm going to throw my old American Racing tires on the front. I already have the old ones on the back. I have the old ones on the back, mostly from Cadillac Attack. I just have not put on my old ones because they're sitting in the garage. So I have these old ones on the back, and I'm going to put those on the front. So I'm going to go ahead and get that started, and then we'll take it for a spin and see if those lights turn off. Alrighty guys, so we've got the old American Racing tires on the Camaro. Haven't seen these on the Camaro in quite some time. I cannot stand them. But I want to see if it's going to make a difference in the traction. So let's go find out. Alrighty guys, so now that I've let the car warm up just a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and see if those lights come on. I might have to drive a little bit just to mess around. I have a check engine light on, which is just a sensor that counts to delete from the tune. I'll check that when I get back home with the scanner. But for now, let's focus on those three little lights that hopefully don't pop up. Oh, and look at that, they all turned on. Alrighty guys, so I am back home. All three lights are still on, as you can see. I have no idea why they don't turn off. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna go grab the code scanner and see if I can clear it, maybe? I don't know. If not, then more troubleshooting. Let's see what happens. So this is our little code scanner, guys. We got it in December as a wedding gift, believe it or not. It's kind of a funny wedding gift, but people know us. So they know we need our code scanner. I guess he was tired of seeing me come into Advance to borrow it. So thank you, Kevin, for this. I haven't needed it yet. I'm going to go ahead and open it and see what the codes, if I can get them to clear. Alright, so let's see here. We've got English. Standard, I guess. Alright, so the evap is what he needs to delete. Alright. We've got evap, catalyst low efficiency. It's a permanent. Alright, so the permanents don't matter. Pending is the evap emissions is because we got rid of the purge line, I believe. I'm pretty sure that's what this is. As well as this. I think these are the two that have to be deleted from the tune. So it's gonna erase. Alrighty, so no codes on, but let's see if those come back on. It says just driving it around, it should eventually clear itself. So I guess that's what we'll do, is just drive around a little bit. Can't hurt. Alrighty guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and drive around a little bit and see if I can get these traction lights to turn off. I'm gonna shut my garage. There we go. Let's go. I feel like I check my oil pressure more than a normal person would, just because I had to rebuild my motor because I lost my oil pressure. Does anybody else do that? Check it like I'm checking the time. It's like, is it good? Is it still there? I have no reason to check it. I just check it, which is sad, but I guess it's better to be safe than sorry. Last thing you want to do is blow your motor because you're an idiot and you drive it with no oil pressure. So when I lost oil pressure, I didn't drive it. I towed it home from work. I was pretty upset. And that was about it. So, update guys, is that I let the car completely cool down and then I went back out. And what happened was, it basically turned off all the lights. I don't know if it just needed to completely reset or whatever it may be, but it is good to go. So now I get to take off these American racing wheels, put them back in the garage for a rainy day. And the only thing I have to do now is to text Cal and see if he can update the tune to accommodate for my tires, because I'd rather run my Ford Stars. So I'm going to go ahead and put those back on, and I'll be back in a sec. These lug nuts I got from Ford Star aren't bad, but they are rusty and turning orange. So if you guys know of any good lug nuts, let me know. Don't particularly like the way that these look when they're all dirty. Unless I constantly keep them wet and clean, they look right. Got the front done, now I gotta go to the back. Backs are probably still in the garage. I gotta go grab those. These are some old rims, y'all. Old rims. And got some fresh-ish tires on there. So a little bit of thread on there. Ooh, that was close. Alright. Alrighty guys, so I forgot to close out my video yesterday, which is quite alright because I'm kind of excited. When I took the Camaro to work last night, no lights came on. And I have the Mickey Thompson Ford Stars back on. So I'm wondering if it fixed itself. I mean, that's the girl hoping, but I'm going to go ahead and take it out for a drive and we'll see if it comes back on real quick. But fingers crossed. Alright guys, so I took the Camaro out again, just wanted to test and see if the lights were going to come back on, which I expected them to almost immediately. I've driven it to work yesterday, and then today again, I just took it out for a little drive around the block, and the lights still haven't come back on. Now, I don't think it's permanently fixed. I don't know why the lights haven't come back on. All I did was put the old tires back on and put these ones back on. So I'm not sure if it like reset something or what, but I'm okay with it. I have no lights on in my dash, finally, until that check engine light pops back up until Cal fixes it. But anyway, just wanted to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.